Hey everybody, how's it going? I didn't really want to make a video today. I got up late, didn't feel like streaming, so instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw together this quick segment, and the goal of this video is to show you what this game is about, what I'm about, and what we have developed so far. So if you're new to my channel, do me a quick favor and hit the like button, hit the share button, and hit the subscribe button, and write something in the comments and what you thought was ultimately interesting about this game. So, without any further ado, let's actually begin. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you is my test scene. Well, we're going to go through the mechanics first. So obviously to move around, you hit W to move forward, S to move backwards, A to turn left, and then W to move, and then D to turn right, and then W to move. So whichever direction your tank is facing, that's where it will go. Your camera is always following the tank. And to fire a bubble or a mini bubble toward, so as you can see, you're being chased by all these bubbles. And you're taking damage when a bubble collides with you. Let me restart that. So, and this health system is a new addition, and I've been just taking advantage of the fact that I've been super invincible all this time. So, the way the game works is when you hit a bubble that matches the color of your bullet, you earn points and the bubble explodes. If, by chance, you encounter a situation where you have more, like, adjacent to green bullets, like we have right now, that bullet's objective will hone in on all the green bubbles in its surrounding area and will destroy such said bubbles. Like you saw right there. When you, and the bar right here represents a streak. When you shoot one or more bubbles concurrently, so if you shoot a bubble that's a wrong color, it resets the streak, meaning you don't really gain anything from it, but you lose any semblance of progress you made. If you shoot two or more bubbles, and you keep shooting bubbles without missing, then your streak bar goes up. So let me actually show you what I mean. So notice I hit a blue bubble. Okay, so if I continue playing and hit a purple bubble, if I hit a red bubble, so I have a red bullet here. So if I continue like this for the duration of the game, so this is the Q that represents what bubble is going to spawn next. Okay, that was a perfect streak. Um, I have a silver bullet. Okay, so that's leads me to silver bullet. When your bar fills up, you you spawn a silver bullet, and the silver bullet can target any bubble of any color and will just plow through it like cutting a cake. So if you're in a situation where you have way too many bubbles and you're overwhelmed, a silver bullet will help carve a path for you. Okay. Let's let's go on to the next thing. So I'm gonna purposely trigger a game over. Now, of course, you can pause the game. Similar panel will pop up. So you can either restart a level, whichever level you're currently at, like I just did. But I don't want to do that. I want to go to the menu. So, okay, well, let's go to the main menu. So as you can see, I'm definitely gonna. So all UI is subject to change. This is just like what I have so far in regards to UI. I do like the UI pack I got on the Unity Asset Store. By the way, this is Unity. For those who don't know, it's a game engine, the most popular game engine, and I'm not making that up. This is like among indie developers, this is like the most popular game engine out there. Um, so essentially, exit, as you can imagine, exits the game. Load game, I don't know if I'm gonna have that in here. I'm just gonna have like a level selection. New game, I don't know if I'm gonna have this in here either, but this is just like a placeholder. So because what I imagine is like select level, and you have a bunch of courses you can run. So one will be like a jungle, one will be like a volcano, one, just a different theme for each level. One will be a beach, surrounded by on an island, like think Hawaii. So, which is going to be that. That's how I imagine. That's where I want to take. That's where I want to take the. I don't know, alarm's going off. Apologize for that. That's where I. That's where I want to take the main menu. It allows you to pick a level to play, and when you click that button, it's gonna take you right to that level. So that's where I want to take this eventually. Alright, but right now, the new game is rigged to a first actual level that I designed. Like, this level actually has props. Okay, so this level actually has walls, so you can't really go off. I don't know why my tank is, like, colliding with this wall. I gotta, like, figure that out. Looks a bit odd. Well, it's not just the wall, it also collides with buildings. I want to add, like, a parallax effect, so just in case this actually bothers people, because it kind of looks like there's like nothing there and you can see right through the building. I feel like I'm not using Cinemachine. I decided to just build my own to keep things simple. So I'm gonna have to go to my camera controller script to see what I did. I don't have anything against Cinemachine, I just prefer to have more control over the camera. And let's be honest here, it's not like Cinemachine's the only thing out there. It's, I mean, it's a ready-to-use tool to get you up and running, but I remember my game developer instructor in Udemy saying that it's somewhat better to learn how to build your own because you grasp the fundamentals, and I kind of agree in a weird way. All right, so as you can see, for this game is loosely inspired from Bubble Shooter, and the reason I built this game is because I haven't seen anything else like this before, and that leads me to my final point. What was I supposed to do? Just wait for somebody else to build it, or I already knew what the gameplay was like? Or do I just go out there and build it myself? Well, I chose to obviously build it myself. So that's the motivation behind building this game. I tried to look for it on Steam, wasn't there, was severely addicted to Bubble Shooter, and I wanted to spend more time on Steam, like actual PC gaming, and I wished a game like this existed, and I took it upon myself to achieve that. And hopefully, I don't know how long it'll take for me to finish this, but all of my development going forward is going to be live streamed. I mean, I've already been doing that for like weeks now, so I hope to see you guys more. Don't if you like what you're seeing so far and you want to support me, definitely like this video, definitely share this video, definitely subscribe if you're excited as I am. It's the best way to support um projects like this. Help me grow my YouTube channel, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.